The Lennox ML17XC1 is a high-efficiency air conditioning unit. A cooling cycle failure means the unit isn't effectively cooling your home. This is often due to problems within the refrigeration cycle itself. We'll explore the common causes and how to address them, focusing on issues relevant as of 2026. Several factors can lead to cooling cycle failures in the Lennox ML17XC1. The first common cause is refrigerant leaks, which often occur at the coils or fittings. These leaks create low pressure in the system, straining the compressor and significantly reducing the unit's ability to provide cooling. Another major cause is compressor overload, which can result from voltage fluctuations or oil degradation in the variable speed compressor. This mechanical and electrical stress leads to failure, preventing the compression phase of the cooling cycle from functioning properly. Faulty temperature or pressure sensors can also disrupt the cooling cycle. These sensors monitor system conditions, and when they malfunction, the cycle may fail to initiate or shut down unexpectedly, leading to inadequate cooling performance. Finally, electrical faults in the wiring harness or control boards can prevent the proper sequencing of the cooling cycle. These issues disrupt the electrical signals that coordinate the operation of all components, resulting in system failures. Refrigerant leaks are a frequent cause of cooling cycle failures in the Lennox ML17XC1. These leaks occur in the sealed refrigeration system, causing low refrigerant levels that reduce the unit's cooling capacity and put extra strain on the compressor. Look for these warning signs of refrigerant leaks: ice buildup on the refrigerant lines, which can cause frost formation, hissing sounds indicating escaping gas, and noticeably reduced cooling performance throughout your home. Ice buildup on the refrigerant lines is a clear visual indicator that refrigerant is leaking and causing the lines to freeze. To detect refrigerant leaks, HVAC professionals use specialized tools including electronic leak detectors that sense escaping gas, UV dye injection with black lights to spot leaks, and pressure gauges to check system integrity. A handheld electronic detector is commonly used to pinpoint the exact location of refrigerant leaks by sensing the escaping gas molecules. Once detected, solutions include locating and repairing the leak source, recharging the system with the appropriate refrigerant, and considering a retrofit to R32 refrigerant if R410A phase-outs are occurring in your region. R410A is being phased out globally, with many regions requiring retrofits to R32 by 2025 and complete bans by 2040. The compressor is the heart of the cooling system in the Lennox ML17XC1. This variable speed component can fail due to voltage fluctuations or overheating, leading to overload and burnout. Variable speed compressors in the ML17XC1 can fail from several causes. Voltage fluctuations can cause electrical stress, overheating may result from poor airflow or dirty coils, and oil degradation reduces lubrication, leading to mechanical wear. Signs of compressor overload or burnout include unusual noises like grinding or rattling, a complete lack of cooling, or frequent tripping of circuit breakers. These indicate the compressor is struggling or has failed. Compressor issues typically require replacement or repair by a qualified technician, as they involve complex electrical and mechanical components. To prevent future problems, check for and install power surge protection and ensure regular maintenance to avoid overheating. Electrical faults and sensor malfunctions are common causes of cooling cycle failures in the Lennox ML17XC1. Faulty sensors, wiring issues, or control board errors can prevent the unit from properly starting or maintaining the cooling process. To diagnose electrical issues, use a multimeter to check voltage at key connections, which should read between 120 and 240 volts depending on the system. Also, test continuity in the wiring to ensure there are no breaks in the electrical circuit that could disrupt power flow. Control board errors can lead to improper sequencing of the cooling cycle components. Before replacing the board, try a simple software reset. Power off the unit, wait 30 seconds, then power it back on to clear temporary glitches. Many newer Lennox ML17XC1 models feature smart diagnostics through the iComfort app. This allows homeowners to remotely troubleshoot issues, view real-time error codes, and receive predictive maintenance alerts to prevent future failures. Homeowners can perform basic checks to help prevent Lennox ML17XC1 cooling cycle failures. While professional repairs are needed for complex issues, regular maintenance can extend unit life and prevent problems. Regularly clean the unit, especially the evaporator coils, to remove dust and grime. Buildup can block airflow and strain the cooling cycle, leading to inefficiencies or failures. Replace air filters regularly, ideally monthly, to maintain proper airflow. Clogged filters restrict air movement and can lead to coil fouling or compressor overload. Ensure proper airflow around the outdoor unit by maintaining required clearances. Obstructed airflow can cause the unit to overheat and lead to compressor failures. Consider installing UV lights to prevent microbial growth on coils. This reduces the risk of blockages that can disrupt the cooling cycle. Annual professional maintenance is highly recommended. Technicians can perform thorough checks, ensuring all components function properly and preventing major failures. In early 2025, Lennox issued a voluntary recall for ML17XC1 units manufactured between 2018 and 2023 due to capacitor failure in the inverter module. This affected approximately 150,000 units worldwide and could cause intermittent cooling shutdowns. To address this, Lennox provides free capacitor replacements under warranty. Check if your unit is affected through their website or app and schedule the service promptly. Additionally, ensure your unit has the latest firmware updates through Lennox's iComfort app or connected thermostat. These updates often include fixes for known issues and enhanced diagnostic capabilities, improving overall reliability. The future of HVAC repair focuses on predictive maintenance using IoT and AI technologies. These systems monitor equipment in real time, identifying potential issues before they cause failures. Lennox's iComfort thermostats integrate AI to predict failures with increasing accuracy. These smart devices analyze data patterns to forecast issues, allowing for timely maintenance and reducing downtime. A major shift is towards sustainable repairs using eco-friendly refrigerants like R32. This refrigerant offers better energy efficiency, lower environmental impact, and compliance with future standards as R410A is phased out globally by 2030. Expect widespread adoption of corrosion-resistant materials in HVAC components. These advancements, like stainless steel coils, can reduce cycle failures by up to 40% by 2030, especially in coastal or humid areas prone to corrosion. AI-assisted diagnostics are revolutionizing repairs by analyzing vibration, sound, and temperature data. This technology predicts issues more accurately, potentially saving the industry billions in labor costs by 2030. Blockchain technology is being integrated to track HVAC parts for authenticity. This prevents counterfeit components, ensuring repairs use genuine Lennox parts and improving overall system reliability. These future trends in smart diagnostics and sustainable repairs will transform HVAC maintenance, making systems more reliable, efficient, and environmentally friendly.